Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Binance security features for US users, detailed guide step by step clearly. To set up Binance security features for US users, start by logging into your Binance account. Navigate to the Security tab located in the user dashboard. Enable two-factor authentication, or 2FA, for added security. Choose between Google Authenticator or SMS Authentication for your 2FA. If you select Google Authenticator, download the app and follow the prompts to scan the QR code provided by Binance. Once scanned, enter the authentication code from the app to verify. If you prefer SMS authentication, ensure your phone number is verified on the account. Next, set up anti-phishing code to help identify genuine emails from Binance. This code will be added to all official emails from Binance to help you recognize fraudulent communications. After that, enable withdrawal whitelist to limit withdrawal addresses. Add trusted addresses to this whitelist to prevent unauthorized withdrawals. Consider setting up device management to monitor which devices can access your account. Review this regularly and remove any devices you don't recognize. Make sure to use a strong, unique password that combines letters, numbers, and special characters. Enable biometric login features if your device supports it for added convenience. Lastly, regularly update your security settings and review your account activity. These steps will significantly enhance your account security on Binance as a US user. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.